Hey everyone, welcome back to another easy Excel tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a drop-down menu in Excel, and I'm going to show you in two different ways. So let's say you have a question in your Excel worksheet. What is your favorite color? And you want, people to go into the worksheet and enter in this field what their favorite color is. But you want to give them a set number of options to pick from. So I'll show you how to do that now. We're just going to go to our Data tab, and then we're going to click this icon over here, Data Validation. Select Data Validation. In this settings pane here, we will allow a list, and here's where we can type our list. So we'll do red, green, yellow, and blue. Okay, and now we can see that we have a drop-down menu here. Red, green, yellow, blue. So users have to select an option from the drop-down here in order to answer the question. So that's the first way. The second way I'm going to show you is actually if we have a list somewhere else in the document. So for example, we have a list of animals here. What's another animal? An alligator, dog, cat, a walrus. So a lot of different options to pick from. And we'll add a question here. What is your favorite animal? So we want to add a drop down here with these options. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to select the options here, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to name this range that I've selected, list of animals. So now if I select again, we can see that this is called list of animals. So now what I can do is I can create a drop-down menu here. I'll just go back to data validation. I'll select list, and I'm going to write equals list of animals. Very convenient. We don't have to type out each animal here. Hit OK, and we can see there are our options. My favorite animal is an owl. Another great benefit of doing it this way is if we wanted to change any of the options, we can do it right here in our list. So we can change pig, for example, to a chicken. And we can see that the dropdown automatically updates without having to go into the data validation settings again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more easy Excel tutorials.